We are literally at the finish line, as today is the fourth and final resort in this 4-part series of the 4 best all-inclusive Caribbean honeymoon resorts. Now, number 4 is Coco Palm Island Resort, Belize. Located off the coast of southern Belize, locally owned and managed adults only, Coco Palm Island Resort stands out as one of the dreamiest all-inclusives for a relaxing honeymoon. The vibe is lovely and laid back, while kayaking, floating in the calm water, and falling asleep to the sounds of nature in an oceanfront cabana. You won't have a care in the world. Now, that's it. Just a quick recap, the 4 best all-inclusive Caribbean honeymoon resorts are: number 1 is Jumbie Bay Island, Antigua. Number 2 is Jade Mountain Resort, St. Lucia. Number 3 is Hermitage Bay, St. Mary's, Antigua. And number 4 is Coco Palm Island Resort, Belize. And there you have it, the 4 best all-inclusive Caribbean honeymoon resorts. Now, if you're planning a vow renewal, destination wedding, honeymoon, or anniversary getaway soon, I'd like to invite you to my upcoming webinar happening Thursday, August the 4th, called The 4 Steps to a Fabulous Vow Renewal or Destination Wedding on Any Budget. Now, during this webinar, I provide the best time to get married or renew your vows, the insider secrets to free perks, and more. Just respond "Insider Secrets" in the comments below, and I'll make sure to send you the link to sign up for the webinar. I hope you got value out of this video, and until next time.